Rubbermaid, 28-piece food storage containers. The Rubbermaid. 28-piece food storage containers are a versatile and practical solution for all of your food storage needs. With a wide range of sizes and features, these containers offer convenience and durability, making them a must-have in any kitchen. One of the standout features of these containers is their shatterproof design. Made from high-quality plastic, they are resilient and resistant to breaking, ensuring that your food stays safe and secure. This feature is especially important when you consider their stackable nature. The containers can be easily stacked, maximizing space efficiency and making organization a breeze. The set includes a variety of container sizes, ranging from 0.5 cups to 7 cups. This selection caters to different storage needs, whether you have leftovers from a small meal or need to store larger quantities of food. The clear design allows for easy identification of contents, while the gray,